Look at this bird. Watch him. Look at him. Beautiful, right? I love nature. Nature is beautiful. And in there, if you look good, my pea, you see some big fish. Oh, there's some big fishes up in there. And those fish that in there, this thing cannot swallow them. They are very big fish, big fishes. Can't see them, but they're there. They're there. See? Probably that bird could swallow them all, but I'm telling you, they're big like me, those fish. They're very, very big. I don't know, I don't see none now. Maybe the birds scared them away. Peace out. One love. Adios. Okay, your fabulous friend. Holla.